How to contact seller on AliExpress. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To contact the seller on AliExpress, first and foremost, you'll need the AliExpress application. If you have not installed, go ahead and check out the AliExpress website. If you have the app, launch your application. Make sure that you are signed in into your AliExpress account. Now for the first step, locate the product that you wish to purchase or inquiry with the seller. For an example, I'll be selecting this product. At the bottom, you will see Add to Cart and Buy Now. Next to it, you will see a message bubble. You need to click on it. You will see a chat type of interface in which you can type in a message or any of the inquiry with the seller. So this is how you can contact with the seller on AliExpress. However, the seller must enable the contact option for you to contact the seller first and foremost. If you don't find any of the message bubble at the bottom, it means that the seller has disabled the contact. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.